Hi, welcome to ScanMyPhotos.com. In this video we are going to show you what you need to do after you order our Groupon. Our Groupon voucher is worth the professional scanning of 1,000 4x6 photos and return shipping if the standard shipping method is selected. The first step is to go to our website ScanMyPhotos.com/Groupon46 where you can fill in your information and select any additional options you may want. Once you follow the link to our website, take a look at how to properly pack your photos for shipping. After that, click on the Get Order Form button, fill in your information, and take a second to browse the additional options. Two options you may want to look at include scanning other sizes and priority VIP scanning. Scanning other sizes allows you to send any size photo from 3x3 to 8x10. The photos still need to be organized by size, and you can still only send 1,000 photos total, but they can be of any size instead of just 4x6. The priority VIP scanning option gives you the VIP treatment and gets your photos scanned within 1 business day of receiving them. Otherwise, your order will be processed and shipped out when completed, typically within 4 to 8 weeks of their arrival. You may order up to 2 Groupon vouchers, which means you can send up to 2,000 photos in one shipment. Just be sure to include both vouchers in the box along with the order form you just completed. Next, you want to prepare and box up your photos. Make sure to pack your photos nice and tight using bubble wrap and tape on the box so these precious memories are not damaged during the shipping process. Be sure to bundle your photos with a rubber band in groups of 100 to 150, and make sure to remove any tape, glue, or sticky notes from the photos. If your photos are copyrighted, make sure to send a signed waiver as well. Make sure the photos cannot move around in the box, that way you can greatly minimize issues during shipment. Again, before you tape up the box, don't forget to put your Groupon voucher and order form inside. All that's left is to send it off. If you have any other questions, please feel free to email, call, or chat with us. You can find our contact information at the top of our site, and our friendly staff will help you with anything you may need. Now sit back and capture more memories while these ones are being preserved for a lifetime. Thanks for watching.